Y'all see this? This is so cute. This is like the Skims little set, but it's not. It's Victoria's Secret, darling. Victoria's Secret. And guess what the secret was? It was on sale. Hey, welcome back to Life with Sid. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're a citizen. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and bell notification so every time I upload a video, you can be notified and become an official citizen. So hey to my citizens and hello to my new subscribers. And if you're not subscribed, hit that button. Today I am doing a luxury collective haul, I guess we would say that, because I have like maybe 2 different brands. But it's a luxury haul. I'm not going to really try anything on. I'm just going to like show you guys what I got. These items I got for Christmas and I decided to share with you guys. And so we're going to just get right into this luxury collective haul. I'm going to start with Balenciaga. Yes, I got this Balenciaga logo hat, and I got this for Christmas. And this, my son bought me this, and it's super cute and warm. I really, really love this. And y'all know I have my little white Balenciaga track runners, and I will be wearing with this. I think I'm going to get the matching scarf to this. I really think I want to get the matching scarf. But yes, this is the Balenciaga logo beanie. So cute. I can't wait to rock it. Follow me on Instagram at MrsWhite_93. I'm pretty sure you will see it on there. So we have that. And then I have a Balenciaga logo oversized t-shirt, which is super huge, but I really like this. I really wanted this shirt oversized, and I'll just wear it with like some leggings, and the sleeves are like really, really long. And I think I got this in a extra small, but it's men's, but it's like really oversized. Like you can wear this in the summertime, like a little t-shirt dress. But it's super cute and super heavy as well. I really like this, so I got that for Christmas as well to match the Balenciaga hat. And like I'm saying, I'm really considering getting the scarf to match it. I'm gonna link a little picture right here. The scarf is super cute, and it's wool too, and it's black and white. I think I have to have it. What you think? Leave a comment below if you think I should get the matching scarf. All right, so let me see what's next. Okay, so I've been wanting these Gucci joggers like forever. And my husband knew I always wanted these, and he got them for me. But the thing is, I wasn't sure like if this was like a trendy thing. Y'all know, like I'm extra, so I like my logos. Some people like, oh, I don't need all of that, but yes, I do. If I'm spending that money, yes, I'm extra. I want my logos. So we're gonna unbox these Gucci joggers because he told me what they was. And they are so cute. Let's unbox these together. This is just like a little card. It's a little intimate, so I'm not gonna read it to y'all. This is from Babe to Me. And here they are. They are super cute. Super cute. And they're like, the material is like super soft. It's not like regular jogger material. It's just so soft. But I like these because I can wear these all year round. And these run kind of big, and he got me a size small. So I know they run kind of big because I tried them on like maybe months ago. I tried them on, and when we was in New York in the Gucci store, and I tried on, they had a medium in there, and the medium was big, and I was thinking about like, should I get the medium and then get them taken in, because the sales rep said she wasn't sure if she can get them, but then I guess, you know, my husband got in contact with her and he got me these for Christmas. They're so cute and soft. And with these, you can dress them up, dress them down. You can throw on a pair of heels with them, a bodysuit, t-shirt, tank top. Like I said, this material, you can definitely wear these all year round. So I will definitely get my money's worth out of these. And I will be wearing these very, very soon. And I will be posting some pictures on Instagram. Okay, so that's that. Okay, so this other outfit that I have is luxury as well. It's Gucci. It's a little over the top, but y'all know I'm extra. I like over the top, baby. Yes, that's what make me me, because I'm over the top and I love it. This Gucci jogger set, I picked this out myself, and I got this probably 50 or 60% off from the Gucci outlet. So sometimes you go to the Gucci outlet, you can find some really good things. You just gotta get there on the right day. Or you can get you a sales rep at the Gucci outlet. So let me open these up and we'll talk about it. So like I was saying, the colors is kind of bright, but it's me. I like it. So here it is. And it is Gucci jogger jacket. And it has like the little cherry bomb on it, whatever. Just like little cherries. It's so cute. And then on the sleeve, it has like the Gucci logo going down the sleeve. And on this side as well, which I thought was cute. And like I said, I'm extra, and I just been falling in love with Gucci. And like I said, I buy Gucci because now I know you can get it up 50 to 60, sometimes 75% off, darling. Who doesn't love a sale? I love a sale. So this is super cute, and then I have the matching joggers to go with it. So it's a little, you know what I mean? The color is a little bright, it's a little out there, but it's on the dark side as well too. So this is cute too. I could definitely wear this all year round. Super, super cute. The material is great. I love Gucci jogger material. And I like on the side where it have the GG logo down the leg. It's really cute, and I got a really, really good deal on this. And I mean, I say it's extra, it might not be extra, or it might be extra for somebody else. But yes, I will wear me a Gucci sweatsuit, honey. This is cute, and I really like it. So this was a treat to myself. Merry Christmas to me. And who don't like being a little extra? Gotta be a little extra sometime. Life is short, honey. So thanks for tuning in to my luxury collective haul. I know it was a little small, but I just wanted to share a little bit with you guys and come on and say hello to my citizens and welcome my new citizens to my channel. So don't forget, if you like videos like this, luxury unboxing, vlog style videos, and you know, just hanging out with Sid. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and bell notifications. So every time your girl upload a video, you will be notified. Until the next time, Sid signing off. Peace. I think I like it. That was so quick. Little 10-minute video. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video right here. Thanks for tuning in again. Have a good one. Love ya.